As you likely already know, LORA Self Service houses a lot of great features for you to use as a student at Loyola. Student planning and course catalog are screens that you can use to review your degree requiremements and plan schedules for upcoming semesters. Today, we'll be showing you a new feature in LORA Self Service that allows you to plan schedules as far in advance as a year. By going to student planning, and selecting either View My Progress or Plan My Degree and Register for Classes, you can look at schedules of classes for upcoming semesters. For this video, we'll use the Go to Plan and Schedule option. This screen shows us the current classes that we're registered for. In this case, we're looking at spring 2026. For this registration period coming up, you can also begin planning your summer 2026 classes, as well as your fall 2026 classes. A new feature will also allow you to view and plan classes for spring 2027. To do this, you have two options. In your academic menu, you can go to student planning and use register for classes or course catalog. We'll use course catalog. The term that we're searching for is a year from now, spring 2027. In this case, I'm an undergraduate history student, so I'll be interested in history classes. I want to make sure that as an on-campus student, I'm selecting main campus, and that for academic level, I'm selecting undergraduate. From here, I'll search. By checking the filters, I can ensure that I'm looking at classes that meet the requirements that I'm interested in. Spring 2027 classes on the main campus at the undergraduate level. I can use additional filters to make additional selections and narrow down my list. For example, I'm only interested in open sections, not sections with wait lists. I might also only be interested in Tuesdays and Thursday classes. Here, I can see the classes that meet the requirements of the filters that I have used. One class that might sound interesting to me is African American Women's History. I'm interested in this plan, interested in adding this class to my plan. I can hit View Available Sections. I'll see that this class is currently scheduled for spring 2027. It has 25 seats available. It's being offered on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 3:30 to 4:35. And I believe this will work for my schedule. I'll add this section to my schedule. And now, when I go to my academics and go to student planning, plan and schedule, I can see that I have classes planned for as far forward as spring 2027. A quick note about this new feature, though you are able to now add and plan classes for spring 2027, you will not register for these classes during this advisement period. For advising this spring, you will only register for your summer 2026 and fall 2026 classes. However, the spring 2027 classes will be available for you to review as planned courses for a future semester. Once you have planned your schedule for summer 2026, fall 2026, and spring 2027, you should meet with an advisor to review these classes so they may clear your advisor hold. Then, on the date of your registration window, which you can find on the registrar's website, you will log back in and hit the Register Now button that will be reflected in the appropriate window. Doing so will allow you to register in your selected summer 2026 and summer 2026 and fall 2026 classes. Any classes you select for spring 2027 will remain on your planner until it is time to register for those classes in fall 2026. Hopefully, this video was helpful in introducing you to this new feature in LORA Self Service that allows you to complete annual planning and continue your academic progress. You can also meet with your academic advisor in either the Student Success Center or your department within your college for additional guidance on how to use this new feature.